The next type of graph we're going to look at has a formula that looks like this. X squared plus y squared equals some other number. The general form is to have it in this version, x squared plus y squared equals some number squared. This formula forms a circle. It forms a circle where the center is at 0, 0, and the radius is 3 units. And so as we change this equation, and all we're changing really is the 3 squared, the radius. As the radius changes to 4, then we have again a circle, center 0, 0, radius 4. Changes to 5. The center is 0, 0, the radius is 5, so we get x squared plus y squared equals 25. Or 5 squared. We can bring it back down to 1. We can bring it to anything in between as well. We can also bring it back down to 0. That's a strange thing. It's called a point circle because it has a radius of 0, but it's expressed as x squared plus y squared equals 0. Our general formula for a circle where the center is at the point HK and the radius of the circle is r is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So it's x minus the x coordinate of the center squared plus y minus the y coordinate of the center squared is equal to the radius squared. So let's consider this situation. We have a center which is 3, 2, and we'll have a radius of length 2. And we'll form a circle based on those two characteristics. So because our center is 3, 2, the formula should read x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to the radius, which is 2 squared. So it's exactly what we do end up with. So now let's have a look at something in a different part of the coordinate axis, the number plane. Let's consider something, a circle with center 4, negative 3, and a very small radius of just 1. Our general form states that it should be x minus 4 squared, because 4 is the x value of the center, plus y minus 3, so that's y plus 3 squared, equals the radius squared, which is 1. And so that's exactly what we have. X minus 4 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 1. You see that each time all we're doing is substituting the h and k values in and the r values into our general form of the equation. Now let's move our circle again. Let's put our center of the circle over here at negative 2, negative 1. And we'll have a larger radius this time, which is a radius of 5. So as you can imagine, that's going to be a circle that goes all over the place into each of the 4 quadrants. Our equation of the circle is x minus negative 2, in other words, x plus 2 squared, plus y minus negative 1, so y plus 1 squared, equals 5 squared. And we have our equation exactly as we thought it would be. Moving our equation, or moving our center over to negative 7, 2, and we'll have a radius of 4, will give us an equation of x minus negative 7, so x plus 7, and y minus 2 equals 4 squared.